It is currently like 6:48. No, 6:38. Yeah. So I just woke up. Woke up at 6. It's kind of dark. I did not want to wear it out. So let's keep going. I'm at the pond now. I'm gonna start off with my water. My water plopper. I almost said my water plopper. Let's see how warm the water is first. Oh, it's kind of cold. Yes, and I have caught a 4.5 pounder off of this in this pond before. So yes, this does work. If you're thinking this doesn't. It was the first I got it. I caught a 4 off of it. Or 4.5 if I want to be technical. But it was pitch black. You could not see a thing out here. When we first got out here, we were throwing around some chatterbaits and stuff. We couldn't see anything. Nothing was biting. Because we came way early. It was 5:30 in the morning. So I was like, hey, look at this thing. It makes a bunch of noise. Looks like. So tied it on. Threw it out there. Heck yeah, it started making noise. There's one right there. First fish of the day. Oh crap. It's first fish of the day. So yeah, this guy came on this. Why is this guy so cold? Like an ice cube. So, first fish. Let's go back. Literally right in front of me. So right now, all we've been catching is the small ones. I want to get on the big ones. The big ones is what I'm worried about. Tired of catching the small ones. So if y'all like this better, comment down below. If y'all like the tripod better, comment on the tripod. But when I go to Lake Fork, this is all y'all are gonna see. Because that will be so hard to have a tripod with me. Because I'll be on a boat. So I'm gonna have to have this. I don't know what it is with this thing, but I got it. They said it was a collectible. I don't see it a collectible. Oh, I just missed a big one. Oh, I missed him again. There was a big one and there was a small one that came after it. So this has turned out pretty good so far. But the last time I used this, the morning bite, we caught, 20 fish, because I have 2 of these. We caught 20 fish when I was here with my, oh crap. Come on, please get it in. I want that bigger one. Oh crap, we missed it. Crap, I don't have any line on here. I might have to end up restringing this pole, guys. That's kind of weird. Me having to restring a pole while I'm fishing. Huh. Yeah. That would suck. Yeah, there's literally no line on this pole. That took like all my line off my pole. Let's see if I even have line. Guys, now, yes, I'm going to have to stick with one lure on that pole. So, it's kind of scary. So, I usually have line with me. I don't know why I don't have any. Oh yeah, I ran out of line. Dang it. I might have some extra though at the house. Because that's what I was trying to pull when I first got it. Because I only got it. Holy crap. There's fish over here. Definitely. Oh, look at that fish over there. Of course, my chest mount had to be moved in the wrong place. There's definitely fish over here. I had a big leaf on it, of course. My pole literally just came apart. This is what my lure looks like. Then my whole pole had to come apart. Alright, let's try this whopper plopper. Why do I keep saying weird names like that? It's not a whopper plopper. It's a sputterbug. I'm not retarded, guys, just... Got him. Got him. That was easy. Whoa, you're a fat son of a gun. Whoa, you're fat. You've been eating crawfish, you can tell that. Healthy, dang. Stomach's fat. Second fish of the day. See if I can get any more out of here. I know there was 2 giants in here. Well, there might have at least been 1. I know that at least. Because I saw one move. That thing was big. And it struck after. Of course, the camera had to be in the wrong place. Like always. Camera's got to be messed up. There's ducks over there. It's not the first time I've seen ducks, so don't think that. Small bass are definitely not intimidated by this big bait. So let's get to the next bird. Stop trying. That bird just went after my lure. I think I got that on video. Oh, there's one. Finally. It's a dink, like a total dink. Running around, doesn't know where to go. This thing looks like a sand bass. Why are they so fat? Just, can I zoom on? Nope. Oh, this mouth is small, though. This guy's mouth looks like that looks like a smallie. Small, that mouth is small. Bro, that stomach is fat, though. Finally, I caught one. After a bird tries to go after my lure. But yeah, the bird was going towards it again. There was another bird going towards it, and then it just stopped. After this, oh crap, there's one. That thing jumped out of the water. I saw it jump. I was about to say, after this, I'm going to walk around with a Senko. And then this fish jumped out of the water. There's one. Yeah, calm down, little buddy. Stop shaking your head. Either way, you're gonna get caught. You're on land. Welcome to land. Nice to meet you. I ripped that sucker out of there. He almost got caught. I didn't want to get caught up in all that stuff. Look at all that stuff that's right there. That's like right where I caught him. He's like sitting in that tree right there. No, maybe he's sitting in that tree. That's where he went. I did not want to get caught up in all that. That would have just been a disaster. So far, what have I missed? Like 5 fish? Because I was reeling too fast. It might have been, or they just like gave up because it saw me or something. Oh, no, it can't be because I was reeling too fast. Bass can have burst up to 18 miles an hour. There's no way I was reeling 18 miles an hour, so. Unless I'm just burning it, but I'm not burning it. Oh my God! Oh my God, I don't know if I caught that on video. I want to say that fish was big. Sorry, someone called me. I want to say that fish was big, but I don't know. I have to look at the video. I don't even know if I caught that on video. I turned as soon as I saw something black coming out of the depths. I got ready to pull the freaking lure, and it went snap. I don't even know if that was big. I think it was big. I'm going to be honest. I think it was big, but I don't say I caught her. I don't want to go around saying, oh, that was a 5-pounder when it wasn't really. That could have been my new PB. What I think. I just think it could have been my new PB, but I have no idea. I have to look at the video. Hey guys, so when I looked at it. Sadly, I did not get that on video. You can just see a little bit of, there's a lot of birds over there. You can see a little piece of the fish. Like you can hear it too, definitely. It's a big splash. I'm still gonna estimate that fish was pretty big. I'm not gonna estimate the pounds because everyone's gonna be like, no, it was small. You're just over exaggerating. You pulled kind of hard. But I'm gonna say that was a big fish. My face looks weird in this. I have no idea why.